Good morning, students. Welcome to this week's English lesson. As always, we have some class rules. First, listen to the voice note I have sent on the WhatsApp group. Adukapram, come back and watch this video. Video paakarumbodhu, if you have any doubts or questions, please make notes. And finally, worksheet send panniken group la complete the worksheet and share your answer on the group. Okay? Great. Now, what did we do last week? Last week, we completed the first half of the lesson, raincoat, and we saw some rhyming words adla, dear, near, and clear. And we also saw sunny and funny. But do you remember what happened in the first half of the lesson? Let us see now. Nalan gets a new red raincoat from his parents as a gift on Sunday. And he really wants to wear the red raincoat. அவனுக்கு ரொம்பவே எக்ஸைட்டடா இருக்கு. So he keeps asking his mother every day, Ma, can I wear the raincoat today? And every day his mother gives him a reason why he cannot wear the raincoat. Because it is too hot, or because the sky is clear, or because there are white clouds in the sky. Now let us look at what happens in the rest of the lesson. On Thursday during picnic, Ma, what if it rains? Shall I take the raincoat with me for picnic? Asked Nalan. No, my dear, it will not rain. The little white clouds are too high, said Ma. Here again, the sky has white clouds that are too high. So his mother is saying, Inniki it will not rain. On Friday, Nalan again asks, Ma, will it rain today? Asked Nalan loudly. It might, my dear. There are some dark clouds low down in the sky. இப்போ difference என்னது? In the previous part we saw that there were white clouds high in the sky. But inge there are dark clouds low in the sky. As you can see in the picture, his mother thinks this is why it might rain. Okay? Saturday begins with a bang. He can hear the sound of thunder. I hear thunder. Will it rain very soon? Asked Nalan. Ippo, as you already know, before it rains, you can hear the sound of thunder and you can also see. Can you guess what you can also see? I will not tell you the answer. We will discuss this later. You already know this. Finally, it starts to rain. Oh, it's raining, sang Nalan, running out. But Nalan, you forgot your raincoat, said Ma, running after him. So finally, after all these days, it starts raining. And why is Nalan singing? I want you to think about this. You can make a note. Nalan is singing and he runs out without his raincoat. Ma is running after him, saying, Nalan, நீங்க ரெயின்கோட்டை வீட்டிலே விட்டிருக்கேன். You've forgotten your raincoat. Now, why do you think this happens? How is Nalan feeling at this point? Try and think. உங்களுக்கு parents டேந்து gift ஏதாவது கிடைச்சதுன்னா how will you feel? And you can relate to it. So think and share. This is what you have to think about. Why do you think Nalan forgot his raincoat at home? You can share your answer as a voice note or you can write down your answer and send it. But please do share your response. Now that is the end of this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Please ask me if you have any doubts. Now this entire lesson was about a boy who got a red raincoat and wanted to use it, and it was all about the rain. So what are some words related to rain or rainy day that we saw in the lesson? We saw raincoat, rain, thunder and dark clouds. உங்களுக்கு வேற ஏதாவது words தெரிஞ்சதுன்னா you can make a note of that as well. We will discuss it next time. I hope this is clear to you until now. For homework, I have sent you a list of questions as a worksheet on the group. So please complete the worksheet and share your answer. Thank you, students. That is the end of the lesson raincoat. I hope everything is clear. If not, you can always get back to me. Have a great day. See you next lesson.